That's MIMBALUT Falls over there. Okay, this is the best view so far in the entire area of Bermuda. Bermuda, I should say. Bermuda Resort. Waters there are dropping. That is MIMBALUT Falls. Okay. I'm here in one of the cottages of Bermuda Resort and Hotel. Okay. This is the third floor. An old and traditional house. Okay. Very beautiful view here. That is a zip line and at the same time hanging bridge connecting, I guess that is the side of Linamon, Llano del Norte, and this side here is Iligan City, specifically in Barangay Boroon. And as what I have said a while ago, over there, that's the side of Linamon. That's the hanging bridge, and at the same time, zip line. If you can see there, that's a blue lagoon. That's actually a swimming pool. Okay, that's MIMBALUT Falls. Wow. Moni amakan. Alright. I'll close the door because I will close the door again here because it was closed a while ago and I was the one who opened this door. The stairs, wooden stairs, and another view here. Okay, a bamboo species. Okay. To visitors like me. Now picking of plants here. I'll be right back.